Do you know that there are plans to grow human tissue in space? No, this isn't a NASA project. Rather, it's from a country you would not expect. On November 7, 2022, Uganda launched its first satellite into orbit, making it the 13th African nation to accomplish this feat. The satellite, Pearl Africa Sat-1, was successfully launched from the NASA flight facility at Wallops Island following a one-day delay. Once it has reached the International Space Station, the satellite will be operated from the Ugandan Space Center in the capital city of Kampala. Thanks to this new satellite, Uganda will be able to better monitor agriculture and its borders while also collecting meteorological data. The primary goal, however, is completely different. Uganda will conduct experiments that call for microgravity conditions, specifically involving the human body. According to the Nile Post, this low-gravity environment offers the best conditions for developing 3D printing technology for human tissue. The reason why 3D tissue printing is a major problem for Uganda is because hundreds of people die every year from defective organs. On Earth, the enormous gravity makes this method of printing human tissue impractical. Similar programs have been started by other nations as well, such as Russia in 2018. The project is led by three Ugandan engineers, Edgar Majuni, Bani Omara, and Derek Tebesweek, who completed their apprenticeship at the Kyushu Institute of Technology and worked on the project in conjunction with other nations, including Zimbabwe and Japan. Although rarely recognized for its technical advancements, Africa continues to make its mark in outer space. 125 additional satellites will be created by 2025, involving 23 different African nations. Space in Africa, a space firm headquartered in the Nigerian city of Lagos, is at the forefront of these quickly growing operations and is expected to have a market value of more than $10 billion by 2024. As a result, it will be a significant player in the space industry for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to Advanced Technologies for more videos of science and technology.